I'm gonna say the N-word. That's racist! You can't say the N-word! Ow! Ow! Don't Ow! Mrs. Obama, I done it. I stopped the racism. Thank you, Skipper. Now I will root this earth. Not if I gonna say about it. And I do. I'm gonna say the N-word. Wahahaha. Get the fucking down, Mrs. Obama. Nigga. Mrs. Obama, where are you? Are you okay? She's no longer with the Skipper, but for the deaf, I'm going to say the N-word whatever than I want. Not if I'm going to say about it, Trump. And I do. Prepare to my laser eyes. Skipper, my son, did you let me die, did you? Shut up, Cracker. Ah! Hey, Kowalski, who's the guy who was in front of us out of the water? It is I, Barack Obama! Mr. Obama, what are you doing here? I have come for the revenge of Donald Trump. But Mr. Obama, we done everything we could. Well, I already made up my mind. Mr. Obama, don't do it! This will bring a shield back! Nigga. Ah! Skipper's lost. For the 32, Obama has skirmished out of the sky by saying the N-word. That doesn't make sense, Skipper. Obama never said the N-word. I don't know about you, Kowalski. Maybe he's going to do with unless... Donald Trump, I should have known was you. Skipper, my son, you just seen my evil plan, and now I'm Obama's buddy, and now I'm free to say the N-word whatever than I want. But I'm going to take over the world. But Mr. Trump, why are you so gay? No, he can't be. No! Well, boys, we did it. The racism is no more. Hello, Skipper. Mrs. Obama, what are you doing here? I come to thank you from the reason from this country. Not necessary, Mr. Obama. When I have a question, I like to give you the N-word pass. Mr. Obama, it is an honor to call you my nigga. Will be nice to you, old friend.